During the last 2 years, efforts have been made to highlight the vast nature of Gandhian philosophy and its applicability to diverse aspects of life. Writing in New York Times on October 2, 2019, Prime Minister Modi said, I quote, "In Gandhi, we have the best teacher to guide us, from uniting those who believe in humanity to furthering sustainable development and ensuring economic self-reliance. Gandhi offers solutions to every problem," unquote. The world today is in turmoil due to a pandemic which might have been a result of violence perpetrated by humans on some creatures of animal world. Over 1 million precious lives have been lost and millions of people have lost means of livelihood, resulting in increased poverty globally. Adherence to Gandhian principles of ahimsa and non-violence, which is a wider principle and includes non-violence by man on nature, could have helped the mankind to avoid man-created disasters such as the pandemic that we all are going through now. I would conclude by recalling that Gandhiji called upon each one of us to make our own contribution and not wait for others to do it for us. So let us follow Gandhiji and be the change that you wish to see in the world. Thank you. Terima kasih banyak.
Good morning to all the ambassadors coming to the 150 of the Mahatma Gandhi, and then the good relation between Indonesia and India. And thank you very much for the all participant is coming here.
Saya apresiasi Kedutaan Besar India di Jakarta yang sudah mengajak DPR RI untuk bersama-sama merayakan Hari Anti Kekerasan Dunia, sekaligus memperingati 150 tahun hari kelahiran Mahatma Gandhi. Melalui pameran lukisan yang menunjukkan karya-karya hebat seniman-seniman di Jakarta. Semoga ini akan terus mempererat persahabatan India dengan Indonesia, negara demokrasi terbesar kedua dan ketiga di dunia, dan menyatukan semangat kita untuk mewujudkan perdamaian abadi di dunia.
See राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम।
सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम।
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान।
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान।
The values that Mahatma Gandhi stood for, which are search for truth, non-violent approach to resolving issues, peaceful and universal brotherhood, are still very relevant in today's world. The political landscape and economic architecture of the world may have changed dramatically since the death of Mahatma Gandhi, but the solutions to today's problems and issues can be seen in the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi. I would like to particularly mention the fact that Mahatma Gandhi's ideals are highly applicable to the youth of the world, especially students and university graduates.
Namaste. Welcome to the celebration of the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Today we are concluding the 2 years activities of celebration of 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi has left the legacy of teachings of morality, self-sufficiency, forgiveness, non-violence, satyagraha and so on behind him. The path shown by Gandhiji will surely lead to a better world. Besides being celebrated as the day of birth of Mahatma Gandhi, 2nd October is also celebrated internationally as the International Day of Non-Violence. On this occasion, we would like to present tributes to Mahatma Gandhi through a series of virtual events organized by the consulate on our social media platforms.
this current situation make us understanding and aware again about the 11 force of Mahatma Gandhi. One of the part of the 11 force of Mahatma Gandhi is Asarira Srama. Gandhiji is in the one quotation is till now reminding the people the earth produces enough for everybody's need, but never enough for anybody's greed.
माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे आजा रे अब आजा रे भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे आजा रे राह दिखा दे ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
I believe that Gandhi meant to plant a seed for a future civilization that all Indians should share together, as well as Gus Dur. He also meant to plant a seed of civilization for the future of Indonesia.